Alyssa, what are you doing?
Num
Num num? What are you eating?
Birthday.
You mean chocolate? Go ahead, eat some. That's disgusting. Funny, but disgusting. Eat some more. It's like a drug. Oh, don't make fun of Mommy snorting. Go ahead, eat your chocolate. Lisa, what do you have to say for yourself?
Birthday.
Birthday? You mean chocolate?
Dad, Bada.
You say hello?
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Smile for Mommy? That's nice. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Look at the camera. Bye.
Bye.
All right, one more chocolate. Eat up. Bye.